evening, YouTubers. I'm just wondering, does anybody have a kit problem? You know, as in way too much kit. I think it's my kit's getting beyond a joke. It's a massive investment. It's a considerable investment. I'm just wondering if anybody out there has got the same problem as me. Okay, I'm just going to post a little bit of a video. It's about a third of my kit, if that, and it's just overtaking. I think we should have a show your kit month because it's costing everybody a fortune, this. Right, here's a bit of kit I've got. See you in a minute. Does anybody have this kind of a problem? With gear. Anybody? Right there. It's about 3 layers though, you can't really see it that well. But it goes on and on. And then there's clothing, which again, I could double this in clothing. Anybody having similar problems? I can't get any more out because it just isn't right. Put it anywhere, and it's getting beyond the joke. Does anybody else have this kind of an issue? It's a considerable investment, and then you've got your filming gear and whatever else. It costs a fortune to buy it and to review it. I'm just using my phone for filming because in the middle of all that lot, somewhere, is my bag with my filming gear in it. Underneath here, probably about 3 or 4 sleeping bags, quilts. That's obviously a winter sleeping bag, which I'll be using winter. There's a load out in one of my rucksacks. The rest of them are empty at the moment, but it goes on and on and on. That's not including other gear like stoves. This is just like, I don't know what it's like. Hammocks, tents, bibbies. There's other kit. I just can't get it all out, there's just not enough room. Anybody else, let me know if they're having this same kind of issue with kit. And if you are, why don't we have a video where you post your kit? Why don't we have a post your kit month on YouTube? Thanks a lot.